Hi guys, it's Maya coming to you with another video, my friends. I am unboxing another box of HelloFresh. What's for dinner? Let's take a look. Alright. So I see some burgers on top, my friends. And this is California style turkey burgers. This is with guacamole and wedges. That looks good. Yep. That's definitely a Friday dinner. Nice, nice, nice. I find that a lot of HelloFresh meals come with potatoes. It's whether mashed wedges, stuff like that. That looks good. Okay, so let's see the next one. And this is Thai style sweet chili chicken. That looks delish. That really looks good. What is that? Ooh, looks like cauliflower in there. And of course they give you a little bit about cilantro and versatile herb. Has a citrusy twist. Look at that. And this is one of the first meals. No, I shouldn't say first meal. This is one of the ones that comes with rice. And I was complaining about why don't HelloFresh have a lot of rice, because what we've been eating lately is lots of potatoes. So I'm glad to see a rice dish in there. I forgot to tell you that the burgers only take 20 minutes, sorry, 30 minutes to make, my friends, that meal. And of course, the rice, the Thai style sweet chili rice, is going to take 25 minutes. And this is a quick one, spicy it says. So looking forward to that one. That looks yummy. It really looks yummy. Has a little bit of herbs. Looks like dill in the rice. That looks completely delicious. And kofta, inspired beef bowl. And this one is a chop salad and lemon yogurt, 25 minutes. I think we've had this one before as well. Delicious, delicious, delicious. And this one again comes with rice. I guess because I've been complaining about not getting a lot of rice dish, the girls make sure to put in rice dish this time. And yeah, I'm looking forward to that. So of course you know how they send the packages, all nicely done, and we're only doing 3 meals a week now versus the 5. You guys know that now because you guys been watching me unboxing these for a while. And all the fresh vegetables and food are in the top in these packages. I'm going to be putting them in the fridge just like this. And then at the bottom has all my frozen stuff. Nice and frozen. As I would like them. Perfect. Nice and cold and frozen. And of course, the 100% water that they put them on. And that's basically it. Once in a while, HelloFresh throws something free in the box, my friends. It didn't this time. So that's what I was looking for. And now you know, my friends, what's for dinner. So I'm going to be cooking one of these meals, my friends, so you guys can take a look to see how I do it. And I'll discuss the taste with you and the amount of time that it takes to make and all that wonderful information. So stay tuned for the other video, my friends. Thank you for watching.